This is community activist Vogel Denise Newsome, and I, as well as the 0.02% delegation, which are my supporters, are in the process of challenging what's known as the Strawman scam. This is where the United States despotism government regime has gone about establishing a process to enslave people, however, specifically targeting blacks, Negroes, African Americans, and people of color. For instance, look at the photo below. It has been said that the former United States President John Fitzgerald Kennedy announced that there's a plot in this country to enslave every man, woman, and child. Before I leave this high and noble office, I intend to expose this plot. Then approximately 7 days later, he was assassinated. It was about August 2012 when Vice President Joseph Biden announced of the big banks in Wall Street to place the protected group of people back in chains. Lo and behold, who do they put in office during the November 2016 elections? None other than their Ku Klux Klan and or white supremacist leader, Donald Trump, known as their law and order candidate. Meet your straw man, exposing the United States despotism terrorist government regimes. Strawman scam used to enslave people through the 13th Amendment scam. If you only had a brain. The following is the telephone conference with Cleo in the Hinds County, Mississippi Justice Court Clerk's Office, wherein I, community activist Vogel Denise Newsome, just simply calling to find out what is the status of receiving a stamp filed copy of my November 17th, 2017 notice of non-attendance pleading. As you can see from the receipt, I paid for postage to have a stamp filed copy returned to me. Priority mail postage was presented in the amount of $6.65. Also, on Thursday, the 16th of November, 2017, I submitted via certified mail return receipt notice of intent to bring a lawsuit. That was served on the Hinds County, Mississippi Board of Supervisors with a certified mail return receipt with the document going to the clerk of the Hinds County Board of Supervisors as well as to the representative for the district, Bobby Bobcat McGowan. As of November the 22nd, 2017, the certified mail return receipt card had not been returned that was issued on Bobby Bobcat McGowan. However, we do have the green card certified mail return receipt that was issued on the clerk for the Hinds County, Mississippi Board of Supervisors. Obstruction of justice, mail tampering, obstruction, conspiracies, such as what? To kidnap community activist Vogel Denise Newsome, to take her through that little system so they can have her assassinated and or murder. This is unacceptable. Today's date is November the 22nd, 2017. My name is Vogel Denise Newsome. I'm a community activist. The time is 11:12 a.m. I am calling the Hinds County Municipal Court, or I guess they call it the Justice Court, in regards to the pleading, the notice of non-attendance that I submitted for filing on Friday to find out whether or not they returned my copies, a stamp file copy to me. The number I'm calling is 601-965-8800. Hi. May I get your name, please?
My name is Cleo.
Cleo?
Mm-hmm.
Cleo, I'm calling. My name is Vogel Denise Newsome, and I submitted a notice of non-attendance. I mailed it off on Friday, and I put a return envelope in there for a stamp filed copy of my pleading I submitted in regards to a citation. And I'm trying to find out the status of that because I checked my mail, and it's not, I don't have the stamp filed copies.
Okay, so you mailed in, your name is, what's your first name again, Ms. Newsome?
Vogel.
Can you spell that for me?
V as in Valerie, O, G as in George, E as in Edward, L as in Larry.
Okay, one moment. And this is for an expired tag?
Yes.
Okay. You mailed this on Friday?
I mailed it on Friday, and I've already got the confirmation according to the USPS.com site. And it said that you all received it because it was, it was mailed. So you all should have gotten it Monday. And I had the priority envelope inside to return my copies in.
Okay. Do you mind if I place you on a brief hold?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, Ms. Newsome?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for holding. So I did check, and I do see your mail here, and you're wanting to know if we received
No,
payment, correct?
I was asking for a stamped, filed copy to be returned to me in that envelope provided.
Okay, all right. Well, I will get the clerk to do that for you today.
Thank you, Cleo.
You are so welcome.
All right.
Goodbye.
Bye. Today's date is November the 22nd, 2017. This is community activist Vogel Denise Newsome. The time is 7:54 p.m. I am going to call Bobby Bobcat McGowan, returning his call. This is about the third time he called me on yesterday and asked me to give him a call back. This is my approximately third call to him. Again, this is to Bobcat McGowan. He is one of the Hinds County Board of Supervisors, and he is the representative, they say, for our district.
I know you're bothering me. I'll be not traveling to. Sorry, Mr. Paul. You name them. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a blessed day.
At the tone, please record your message. When
When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Bobby Bobcat McGowan. This is Vogel Denise Newsome, community activist. Today's date is November the 22nd, 2017. The time is about 7:55 p.m. I am returning your call from yesterday when you called. My mom and I, we were out and we were having dinner. But anyway, I am calling you back, so I don't know if it's in regards to the notice that I filed in regards to the citation. But anyway, I did send that via certified mail to you. I've received the green card back for the clerk's office, however, not the one certified mail return receipt to your attention. But anyway, feel free to call me back. You can reach me at 513-680-2922. That's 513-680-2922. Thank you.
If you are satisfied with your message, press 1. To listen to your message, press 2. To send your message with normal delivery, press 1. To send your message with urgent delivery, press 2. Thank you. Your message has been sent. Goodbye.
For those who are interested in supporting community activist Vogel Denise Newsome, please feel free to send your love donations to Post Office Box 31265, Jackson, Mississippi 39286. Again, that's Post Office Box 31265, Jackson, Mississippi 39286. Telephone number is 513-680-2922. That's 513-680-2922. Love donations can also be made at www.cash.me/$ Vogel Denise Newsome. And or anonymous confidential donations may be made through the DonorBox.org link at Community Activist Vogel Denise Newsome.